let's go. For this video, guys, we're going to see and try this game, fun game, kind of a game. So let's see. This one, kind of a bluey, a lot of kind of color like blue, yellow, orange, and at the back of it, there's number 1. No, I'm been told off. So that's number 9, number 5. So no matter what, how many is this? So any kind of score, and each of them have a score. Number 5 or number 1, the highest number is number 9. So yes, and after that, they have any kind of stop toys that they gonna give to you. It's depend on how much you win. So that's one. The Pikachu, Bulbasaur, or the spider. The smallest one is that one. There's a Barbie dolls.
Gonna try, gonna have a game? Gonna go?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Picking up soon.
Later, yeah. Maybe not. So we're going. That's a nice game, fun game for that area. So let's see over here in other area as well. That's kind of I don't know what's it called, but it's same as there's a prize in it, like the biggest prize number, smallest prize number. But I don't know how to play this. But I think you need to put or throw a balls inside the mouth of this what's this moving statue face. So yeah, so that's out of 10. I think that's in a 5 out of 10 is 5 out of 10. So that's another game, fun game in that area. So have a look on this area, the front side area. I don't know where are they now, but in the front side area is they have these balls throwing in a bucket like that. There's different prices, the big stop toys and small stop toys. So yeah, this area is gonna be throwing balls in a bucket, and this area is throwing dart in the ball and a balloon. So that area. In this area is another one again, but it's dark. It's a duck. It's a duck one. I think duck catching. And all of this game had different kind of stop toys that you're gonna win, or in different it's depend on how much you win, and the biggest stop toys you're gonna have. Yeah, let's go.